So in a nutshell, decentralized AI, we see it as an existential thing for society. And at the same time, there is no decentralized AI without decentralized storage. Now, how does Swarm here play into? So Swarm does address privacy and data ownership. It's a very user-centric network. It by using Swarm, it adds up as a censorship-resistant network. It adds censorship resistance also to AI. I would say with the whole context, it also adds to model transfer. Happy to talk more also about that. A very important part that we see is that and this is where we also are moving more into in the future. Announcements are coming out soon. Data provenance is becoming critical part, and data provenance in that sense also helps to facilitate a fair distribution of value, so a fair data economy. That's what we call it. Linked to this, it's also that data can be transformed into an asset, and this is again it becomes a very important question when we think about new foundational models that are done by the community and are user owned. So we see that in an era where digital freedom is eroding and the demand for it is growing, that using Swarm and decentralization in general is becoming a necessity and not a luxury. And with this, I would actually conclude this part, and very much open to questions and further discussion.
Yeah, thanks, Gregor. It's a lot of food for thought there. And obviously, you guys have been around for a long time. And what you were talking about on the future announcements around data provenance and data as an asset, both sound super exciting. Where are we though, kind of really in decentralized AI, really kind of being commercially possible for kind of the masses?
That's a good question.